Good morning, everyone. Josh and Gemma are in the basement playing. Let's go see what they're doing. What are you doing? I'm doing laundry right now. Huh? Yeah, the horse. Yeah? Yeehaw! You having fun? You woke up in a good mood. Ate pancakes and brushed your teeth. Ooh. Did Josh show you, did boys show you that? Time to throw some laundry in. Ooh, your Legos. Legos. When my dad got her McDonald's, I told her to say thank you, Gemma, to him, and she's like, thank you, Gemma.
What?
Say thank you, Gemma.
Thank you.
Oh, she didn't do it.
Oh, but...
What are you gonna build?
Wow.
Say bye, boy.
Bye.
Bye, bye.
Cool. All right, let's clean up so we can get your car seat in and see Grandma. Just got to Grandma's.
Hit it! Yeah! Yeah!
Look at all the toys that Grandma has. Good Lord, look at all of them. That's full of toys, all toys. Toys, toys, toys. Yeah, more toys here than you do at my house.
You could probably take that pink chair to your house.
What?
Whoa!
Look at a car, honey! I love it!
Whoa!
Yes. Whoa! Get it!
Here, show Grandma what's in your bag.
What's in your bag?
Right here.
What's
Show
in your
her.
bag?
Show her.
What is in it? I can't wait to see. What's in it? Open. Okay. Open it, please.
She woke up very happy and was loving on me.
Okay, let's open it for Pum Pum.
What'd you bring?
What is? Oh, yes! Yes!
And your Doc McStuffin outfit.
Yes! Alright. Wait, I gotta check. It won't open. You just push a button and listen.
Grandma's got a princess chair.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yes, sister.
Thank you, she says.
Push this button.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Wow. You're a real princess now.
You're welcome.
Say thank you, Pum Pum. Say thank you, Pum Pum.
You're welcome, honey.
I'm going on a wagon ride. Taking the puppies on the walk, too. Yeah, got your water, your bear, your sunglasses. Having fun? Yeah? We finally got some nice weather, but it's very humid out. Huh, Jem?
It still has a nice breeze, though.
Yeah, it has a nice breeze,
Look at the puppy across the
but
street.
it's finally nice out. I'm happy for some nice warm weather. It rained this morning. I thought it was gonna be cold out, but it's not. So we're gonna go walk around the block. I pushed her on her bike that she loved which needs a long handle like this so I can really push her instead of bending over non-stop. But oh well, it works for now. What? Someone joined her in the wagon. Yeah, it's Sophie. Now both the dogs are in there.
Let me see.
Joining Gemma, and that Joey's actually being good.
Sophie.
Sophie!
Sophia.
Treat! Treat!
Oh, they're nice.
Look at them, they're so cute. Gemma's got a bunch of friends now. Yep, be nice. Jeez, Grandma's making me go up high. Whee! Is this fun? Woohoo! Motorcycle time!
Woohoo! Yeehaw!
Sirens! What is it?
A cop?
It's not a cop. Someone's having a fun day, huh? Your first day here? Yeah? My pants, well, my shorts and my underwear, and my mom's pants and her underwear are soaking wet. I'm walking like a freak because that slide has water at the very bottom. So we're soaking wet. No, we're not going down that slide again.
It's all water.
You're all wet, huh?
Yes. I am drenched.
I know, I had to take off my socks because they were soaking wet, but my butt and everything's wet. But you're not because you sat on Grandma's lap. So lucky you. And there was a lot of water, no kidding. Let's go on the swing. And then we'll go home and take a nap. Someone is up from her nap playing with Sophie out in the yard. And we changed her clothes. My mom wanted to see if this outfit fit her or not. But she was just playing with Sophie, chasing her. Get her!
Water bad. Go, Sophie! Go, Sophie! Go! Go! Go!
She's too fast for you. And Joey's like, oh no, no thank you. Josh is at home building a bench to sell and make maybe $100 or so off of it. I don't know. And then he's gonna build children's picnic tables too. No, she needs a drink. Sissy needs a drink.
Sophie.
Sophie needs a drink.
I got a drink.
Yes, Sophie needs a drink.
She's thirsty.
Wait till Sophie's done.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, she's thirsty.
I love your outfit. It's so cute.
You hear it?
Here, do it to me. Do it to me. Heartbeat, yeah.
Heartbeat's bad?
My heartbeat's bad? Oh no, what am I gonna do?
These bugs are eating me alive.
Yeah, puppies. It's Sophie. Pet him. Aw, nice. Want Sophie? Let's go get Sophie. Alright, we got both puppies. Yeah, 2 puppies. 2 puppies.
Tell everybody hi.
Say hi.
Tell everybody hi. There you go. Mwah. Aw, that's
Wanna
nice.
go again? Okay?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, you guys. It is Gemma's bedtime, so she is in bed now. I read her 3 or 4 books, brushed her teeth, and she is in bed now. I don't know what we're doing tomorrow yet. I tried to clean the pool. I did the best I could. There's probably places that I missed, but the pool pump's not running because Josh took the extension cord, so I can't turn the pool pump on or anything, which I'm annoyed with. So he has to do that when he gets home. And yeah, I guess this will end tonight's vlog since I have nothing else to vlog. I gotta edit. Since she's in bed, I want to get I want to try at least edit 2 videos, so that way I can be caught up and not have to edit tomorrow. So I guess on that note, I will end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.